It's now my pleasure to invite the Dean of the Indian School of Business, Mohali, who are the hosts for the event, Dr. Ajit Ragnekar.
Good afternoon, and before I start, let me welcome Honorable Chief Minister Sardar Prakash Singh Badal ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sardar Sukhbir Singh Badal ji, members of Punjab Cabinet, members of Punjab Government, and all of you to my home here. We are delighted to have all of you here at ISB. And I hope that in the last 2 days we have looked after you well. Thank you sir for choosing our campus as the venue for this. We really appreciate it. Little over 2.5 years ago, when we were laying the foundation stone of this campus, we had promised the Chief Minister, who by the way doesn't let you just have an agreement and let you go away. He said you must put this up in 18 months, and we put it up in 17 months and opened our doors in 17 months as we promised. And throughout that time it has been a delightful experience. So we are one of those who have already not just committed but put it in, and I hope that we'll continue to grow here too. One of my colleagues, Professor Ruben Abraham, once did some work which said that there are just 40 mega regions in the world which contribute 2/3 of the world's GDP and 80% of the world's innovation as measured by patents. Just 40. And a mega region, for example, the Silicon Valley in US is a mega region. The Boston to New York is a mega region. In our own country, the national capital region is a natural mega region. Bombay to Pune is a mega region. Bangalore, Mysore, Chennai is a mega region. And when we look at now at Punjab and what we have seen yesterday and the vision of Punjab, we have a terrific opportunity to make Punjab as one more mega region which fuels the growth of this world. It's a natural from southeast to northwest, and when I looked at the road plans that you made, there is a very natural way for us to create one large mega region here and not just restricted to cities. So I think I'm very excited. But these things will not happen unless all of us, government, industry, academia, and the civil society work together. So this is not just the Punjab government's task, it is everybody's task, and all of us have to work for it. I see, based on what I saw in the last 2 days, 5 new rivers which will make this land now industrially fertile. First, the infrastructure. This river of roads, air connectivity, digital connectivity, and power is the first river that will feed this growth. The second are the fiscal incentives, which the Deputy Chief Minister yesterday explained at great length, and they're very important. The third is human power. And yesterday again, the Honorable Chief Minister talked about skills development throughout. Unless there is an inclusive growth, unless all youth of this state and of this country become productive and useful members of the society, we are not going to. We are doing our little bit. We have already started discussions with Mr. Karan Avatar Singh and others about how we can help the engineering schools in the state to also improve their entrepreneurial capability. And we promise you, sir, that we will continue to do our bit for that. So that's the third step. It's the human power. That is the third. The fourth river is that of governance and law and order. And the improvements that the Deputy Chief Minister talked about yesterday are again very, very important for this river to flow and for industry to come. And the final river, sir, is the social infrastructure. any important region will attract the best talent from the world. And in fact, it must, because we cannot just rely on our own local capabilities. We must, if you look at California, 1/3 of all new innovations are started by immigrants. And to fuel our own growth, we must be able to attract the best talent in the world. And they will look for the best schools, the best healthcare, the best entertainment, the best food, and all other things. So some of the new companies which have signed up, again, are the step in the right direction. So these 5 new rivers, and we have already started, and I'm confident that over the years, all of us will help to make them successful. What I would like to see here is 5 years from now, this hall filled not just with people from other states, but people from other countries who will come here to learn from our success. So let us all work towards that. Thank you.